So I just got home and there was this package waiting for me, and I'm pretty sure it's my Superhuman album, so I'm super excited. I ordered them off Amazon. I actually pre-ordered them around the time they first got released, but then they were selling for like $18 then, and then the price dropped to like $14, so I canceled my order and I put another order in because it was so much cheaper. I was able to purchase another album too. So I purchased 4 copies off Amazon. I also purchased one off of Choice Music because I ordered the Kino there from there as well. And I believe if you order off like the Korean websites, you get individual member posters. So like for this one, there's like no posters. I think there might be a folded one inside though. Yeah, I'm so excited. I just finished listening to the album yesterday because it dropped yesterday, and all the songs are so good. I obviously like Highway to Heaven a lot because they showed it to us first at the concert, so it has a lot of special memories. And I'm so happy to finally listen to Superhuman studio version. And all the other songs are just really good. Like, I listened to this album on repeat when it dropped. So I'm gonna open one first. Also, the music video was just so good. I thought after they performed it, since they released it early at the concerts, I was kind of skeptical of their, just like the marketing plan, because after you released it, I thought it would kind of lose hype. But honestly, the music video made the song seem like a new song, and every time I listen to it, I just like it even more. So I'm guessing, well, I know like they did pretty well with what they planned out. Oh my god, it's so tiny! Okay, I didn't expect this to be right here, but I got Johnny for this circle hologram card. It's so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger than that. And then I got, oh my god, Johnny's photo card too. Johnny's photo card is actually one of my favorites. So when all the photo card pictures got released, I really liked Johnny's photo card, Mark's photo card, and Taeyong's photo card. So I'm hoping to get their cards. So I got Johnny already. And then postcard. I think this is a sticker. No, it's printed on there. It's pretty. And then there's a folder poster in here. So it's pretty tiny. I think the Korean version comes with a really, really big one. That's tiny. The disc. Super pretty. The photo book is pretty thick. Kind of excited. I haven't seen any previews for this yet. I think the album literally just came out today. Wow. Looks so cute in this outfit. I'm not a big fan of how they did like the lyrics. I think it looks kind of weird, but the rest of it's really nice. I like the concept of the photos this time. And those bowl cuts, so cute. After the tour happened, I actually recently developed like a strong liking towards Doyeon now. So my biases in 127 are Win-Win obviously, but since he's not on his comeback and he wasn't in the tour, my second bias in 127 is actually Hyuk. But I started liking Doyeon a lot during the tour. So I've just been loving Doyeon a lot lately. Like, look. His stage presence was so amazing. Oh, this is really big. This is such a step up from Regulate, where we got like literally 10 photos. And I just love all the songs. I usually, there's at least like one song that I don't like as much as I like the other songs, but in this album, I like every single song. So cute. Random black page. That could have been another photo, but okay. Oh, it's just a lot. I love Taylor's hair in this comeback too. I think I'm gonna try to go to some Targets and some Walmarts and Barnes and Nobles to see if I can find their albums in store, because I really want to purchase one, just like going to stores. But I heard Target's only selling them online, but I did see some people saw them in like Walmarts and Barnes and Nobles, so I'm gonna go check them out today. Another random white page, and it's with Mark's photo again. So weird. I'm so glad that Johnny finally got some more lines this comeback. His voice sounds really good. So cute. I'm glad it grew out though, or they just like don't style it like that all the time. The blonde color looks really good on him. I'm so excited to pick up my Kino album as well, so probably upload a separate unboxing for that one. I think I'll just leave this out so I can show you what the rest of the albums I opened. So that's one, and then there's 3 more. I'll just pull up flow cards for these. I purchased multiple just to help out with album sales. So I probably will be doing a giveaway for at least one album and some photo cards as well. But I think I'll probably announce it in the next video that I post up, just because I'm not sure how I want to do the giveaway yet. So look forward to that one. Oh no, it's Johnny again. They're probably all Johnny, which is fine. His card's so cute. But I do want a Mark photo card for this one. Poster's probably the same. Okay, I'm gonna be just devastated. This is Johnny again. But yeah, so I'll announce the giveaway details in the next unboxing that I upload, which is probably going to be of the Kino and the album I pick up from Choice Music. Oh, okay, so the circle card's different this time. Yuta and Johnny. Okay, so last copy. Oh, not a lot of variation from Amazon. At least Johnny's photo card was one of the ones I actually wanted though, so. The cover is also like holographic. It's super pretty. Okay, moment of truth. Yay! So, heck photo card. This one's actually pretty cute. Oh, sorry, I forgot to show you the back of Johnny's card. Yay! His card's cute. And Jaehyun's circle card. These are hollow too. Postcard. So 4 copies. I got 3 Johnny photo cards and 1 Hyuk photo card. And then I got Jaehyun's hollow circle card, Yuta, and 2 Johnny's. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stream Superhuman.